messenger.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, what the dude, those.
Oh, what the
Alright, I'm running. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi guys. I don't trust. We're in a skate park and up that hill over there, and if you go down, there's like the world. We're about to explore the place over there. We found stuff there.
I don't trust that van. Let's wait for that van to go.
Oh shit!
Trust that.
There's a van over there, and okay.
My mirror broke up with me. It's probably because I hit it.
Wow.
Stick out. Behind me. I'm about to spin.
Did he just say he's about to spank someone?
Alright.
Oh, it's still there. Holy cow. Alright, so basically inside there,
It's a party thing.
behind the tree. Oh, what the f***? Ew. There are bugs. Ow. Ow. Dude, oh my god. This is really creepy.
Wait, this is a fucking
Dude, what did I tell you? Dude, check this thing out.
Hello!
Wait, actually, what the f is that?
Have you seen?
I don't think so.
Blender. Nej, you see it från YouTubers. This thing is that they skjut off.
Wait, so long paw?
Yeah, like long
So basically, so merch gun.
Merch gun.
Merch gun.
Oj, jag hade kaffe för det var...
Oh,
What the coffee?
I feel like I want to open this thing, but it's none of my business though.
There's fucking air or something.
You wanna do it?
I mean, look here.
Feel that part, feel that
I
part.
know, that's what the
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Dude, should you open it? Dude, where's your stick? Should we
I'm
try
gonna open it.
Dude.
Yo, wait.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is so scary.
Dude.
Yo, somebody help
I'll
me.
record you.
Hey, I think I know.
Dude. It's air inside. Like.
Wait, is air inside? Like,
yeah.
Yo,
like,
try
okay,
pull this thing. It feels so weird.
Why does it feel like...
Dude, it looks like a no joke, looks like a body. Cause like here's the head, like the foot over there. What
I really want to see this.
Oh my god, that's so disgusting.
Try.
Dude, holy shit. I thought there was a cat. Yo, holy shit. What the f?
This looks like a f***ing... Hello?
I think you don't...
Imagine if some old dude would come like, what the f are you doing in my home?
Dude, that's creeping me out. It feels like a head.
I thought that...
Dude, come here. Try pull this thing. Feels like you're pulling a body, no joke.
Yo, I'm leaving. Oh, I'm leaving. Dude.
That looks like the foot and the head right there and the body.
I know. What the f? Okay, Jesus Christ.
That looks like a body.
Dude.
That's a body, not body.
That tent thing, I don't know. It felt strange.
There's something here. Let's go.
Mom, I got the beer caps.
There's a beer can earlier. No. Yo, säg måste där vi får en näppe. I'm exploring town.
I'm going this way. Oh wait, jag ætla say, where did Siki go?
This is like a workout for us. I'm still leaving.
Oh. I can see my house from here again.
I'm lost. Where am I? And I just get.
He's out on the internet.
Yeah, but they don't know where I'm pointing at.
I do think it's. I do think.
Yeah, me too.
But I'm not pointing it.
So if you guys ever want to see where we live, just go up here and then just look at that view. No, I'm kidding.
And don't go down there.
Don't go down there.
That looks like Siki's park.
Do you want to go there?
He's
like,
just taking his dog on a walk.
I mean, yeah. It's just
do you want to go there?
If you,
World War II, like.
I don't care.
World War II.
Guys,
I lost my stick.
Wait, actually,
I don't know.
how did you lose? Wait, did you check your pocket?
Should we try to go up there?
I really can't see anything on my little CD.
Yeah, we just wrote it.
No,
It's been there for years.
2014 or something.
Really?
Yes.
I'm gonna cut the camera here, and I'll see you guys later. Pump the. Okay. There you go. Huh?
Tiger.
Oh my god! Yo! I have my vlogging camera! Help! You're my brain!
What did I tell you?
Oh my god. Alright, I might go back there soon. Just don't know when. So, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what else to say other than if you guys want to see me go there again fully and check what's inside there, then comment down below and leave a like. So I really want to find out what's inside. The mystery on the tent, I guess. Hey, if you guys want to see us go there, would you guys go there again?
Yes.
If you want part 2.
If you guys leave a like on the video.
If you guys hit this f***ing 11 likes, 11, then we'll go back.
15 likes.
15 likes, we'll go back.
Oh god, that's gonna be hard.
This is risky, that's why.
If you guys want to see us go there, drop the like button. So 15 likes, and we'll go back there. And yeah, we'll actually open the tent and we'll actually find out what's inside. Cause I'm not gonna joke around. Like it felt like a head and like a leg. I don't know. I might be. I don't know. So why is it snowing? Basically, we're going to art school. Oh. Wait, what? How did you fall? Okay, Okay.
Nej, då bra starta här.
Oh shit.
What do you think,
Oh
bitch?
my god.
Oh, my hand hurts.
Oh, fuck my back.
I literally.
For a second. It's a cold water, guys. Drink it first, man.
Oh.
So satisfying.
Oh. Wait, write your name. I'm kidding.
Cause dog got no more water. First,
I don't know if you guys could see me or not. I have no clue why. But you guys definitely did not see me. Holy shit. Yup, but oh my god! Oh my god!
Man after us.
Oh wait, where'd the second go? Oh shit!
Shang, shang, shang.
I almost tripped out.
Oh shit. Dude, I was thinking big club.
Dramatic!
I was thinking big club.
Oh shit.
Big club. Diba?
Yeah, my problem here.
Trap.
Oh shit! What?
Vänta, aktivt ska vänta.
Even though if I'm putting that in.
Nej.
Oh!
I ran from home.
You ran away from home. Oh! I bet you can't do that.
Okay, now.
Let's cut it.
Okay, now get us on. Hold that. Look at this satisfying. Oh.
Oh, that's so.
Oh my god. That's
Finish
so
off.
sad.
Finish.
Oh.
Oh.
Shang.
Shang.
Good.
I want to try that.
That's so satisfying. It's like smooth.
Oh, that's so
I'm
satisfying.
gonna try with this one.
Oh no. You're just making wood now.
Vad är det fett då?
Det var Vincent.
La camera då.
You know what? Alright, so home right now and I don't really know what to say. So that has been the video. Subscribe if you're new, like this video if you enjoyed. By the way, 15 likes and then we'll go back to that place and then we'll check what's inside and stuff. And yeah, just see you guys. Peace. Oh, and also turn on the post notification. And join my Discord, links will be in the description below. And yeah, bye bye.